back to another YouTube video. Welcome. I know you've already seen the title of this video, so you've already seen that I've done my face, and I just want to show you how I draw my lips and how I outline my lips and how I combine the colors, my nude colors and my lip glosses together, and also introduce my new lip gloss which is coming out into the market soon. So I just want to show you how the whole thing is like and how I actually achieve my nice juicy. Make sure you watch to the end. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. And if this is the first time watching me, my name is April Daisy and you are welcome. You're welcome, darling. Please do stay. Okay, so let's get right into that video. So before I start, I'll outline it. Okay, so I don't want to talk through this right now, so you use a brown pencil. Please don't use a black or a very dark pencil when you are outlining your lips. It's very bad. Sometimes I see it when like girls go out with their lips drawn black. And I look at it and I'm like, what are you thinking? So use a dark brown pencil to do that, okay? If you have a small lips and you want to make your lips big, I'll show you that in a bit. But this is how normally more people normally outline their lips, but I do it extra. I go extra more when it comes to my lips. So I do this. Can you see? Okay. So I go overboard with it, like
it helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
so that's what I do. Then I draw my down one too, so my lower lip. Starts with the very normal way we draw our lips. Then when I'm done, I just shade it in like this.
So then, why?
I go in again with the nude. Okay, so I do this. So I didn't outline my lower lips well, so I shade that one into like this. So you can go out with this if you don't want to be. This is new too, so you can go out with this and just use your lip gloss. But I like to use a nude. It's not difficult at all. My favorite April Daisy Beauty lip gloss. I can't show you the lip gloss because it's not well branded, so I can't show it to you now. I can't show you the gloss because it's not well branded, but this is how it looks like, and it's smells so good, so watch out. Okay, so what I do now is I go in with my lip gloss like this. Then that's it. Actually, that's all I do. Then your lips looks a bit bigger. If probably your lips doesn't look big. Hope you can see this.
So then, why?
Thank you so much for watching, and if you've not subscribed, please do for me, okay? Please subscribe to this channel because I have a lot of content for you. So please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video, okay? Bye.